Hello, my dear little technocrats. Today we will learn very good thing topic called how to control your fan from your bed using a Wipro Smart IoT Plug. What we have to complete this work? Go to the shop and purchase a Wipro Smart IoT Plug which is suitable for your fan's power rating, maybe 5 amperes or 6 amperes. Ask and get it. Next, come to the house, insert the smart plug into the wall power socket. Third, third step is insert your fan's male plug into the smart plug's female socket. That you can do it very easily. Next step, keep the fan's regular switch always in the on position. Don't forget this step. Now, what you have to do, download and install the Wipro Smart Home app on your smartphone. That is your duty. Next, connect your smartphone to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. That is with the help of the router. Router password is available with you. Every router will provide 2.4 GHz, no need to bother. Now open the app in your mobile and select add device. Select add device, that procedure we have to follow. Here what we have to do, press and hold the smart flex power button for a few seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. Then only this activates your pairing mode. Then only it will work if you do this process. Eighth step. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password, complete the setup, and name the device bedroom fan or whatever you want. If whatever you want, if you can name it as Krishna fan also. Last point, you can now switch your fan on and off from your mobile phone using while lying on your bed. Phone kane చేయొచ్చు operation. Safety tip, do not connect appliances that exceed the smart plug's rated power capacity. That you should know rules and regulations. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Bye. See you soon.